Welcome to Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today we are making kale chips. I have this craving for a late night snack, so I bought a nice bag of kale. One of the things you have to do to prep your kale is go through the bag and take off these thick stems. You definitely don't want any of the thick stems on your kale. Put a little bit of oil on your cooking sheet. Take your kale, you want it to be dry because the kale should be crispy, and sometimes you find a little extra piece of stem there, and you lay it out on your tray. Shrink down, so you don't want to overload. That should be perfect. My oven is set on 300. It's kind of a slow bake. We take our pinch of salt. Delicious on kale chips, and the oil is on the bottom. Your kale is dry, and into the oven it goes. It's going to bake 20 to 25 minutes. You'll feel it to see if it is nice and crispy. Okay, Alexa, timer has gone off. So our kale chips should be coming right out of the oven. Oh, fantastic. Look how beautiful they look. We're going to add these kale chips right into this bowl. Beautiful. All right, our kale chips came out beautiful. They're crunchy. Let's take a bite. Oh, listen to that crunch. Add a little extra salt. Maybe you like a little cayenne pepper. Get a little spice to it. Enjoy your bowl of kale. Watch a great movie. Hope you enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen Kale Chips.